Hello, property owners and managers. Navigating an economic downturn can be overwhelming, particularly for those invested in real estate. Rental income may drop, maintenance demands persist, and tenant turnover can rise, all putting pressure on your financial stability. But there is good news. With the right property management strategies, landlords can weather these storms and emerge stronger. In this video, we'll walk through tried and tested methods to manage your rental properties effectively during challenging economic conditions. These tips are not just about surviving the storm. They're about building long-term resilience and trust with your tenants. Let's begin. 1. Prioritize tenant retention for long-term stability. Retaining good tenants is one of the most effective ways to sustain cash flow during an economic downturn. Finding and onboarding new tenants is both time-consuming and costly, especially when the rental market is sluggish. By maintaining positive relationships with your current tenants, you can avoid unnecessary vacancies. Be proactive. Reach out regularly, show empathy, and be open to supporting tenants facing temporary financial strain. Consider short-term rent reductions or structured payment plans if needed. These gestures foster goodwill and loyalty, increasing the chances of tenants staying longer. 2. Introduce flexible payment solutions. When tenants are financially impacted due to job loss or reduced income, offering flexibility in rent payments can go a long way. Instead of risking complete non-payment, consider breaking up rent into manageable installments or waiving late fees temporarily. Always document such arrangements formally. Flexibility in rental terms shows tenants that you understand their challenges and are willing to collaborate, making them more likely to honor their commitments and less likely to leave. 3. Audit and reduce operational expenses thoughtfully. Now is the time to reassess every line of your operating budget. Are there non-essential services that can be paused? Can you renegotiate contract with vendors or service providers? Look into cost-saving alternatives for routine operations like landscaping, waste disposal, or general maintenance. The key is to reduce costs without compromising the tenant experience. Streamlined spending ensures greater financial control while still maintaining service quality. 4. Establish a strong cash reserve. A well-maintained cash reserve acts as a vital buffer during economic uncertainty. Aim to set aside at least 3 to 6 months of operating expenses per property. This reserve allows you to address emergencies, like urgent repairs or temporary rent shortfalls, without panicking. Planning ahead provides peace of mind and gives you the freedom to make strategic decisions rather than reactive ones during financially strained periods. 5. Communicate transparently and frequently. Transparent communication is essential, especially during times of uncertainty. Keep tenants informed about any policy changes, service disruptions, or available support options. Establish open channel for discussion and respond promptly to queries or concerns. When tenants feel heard and informed, they are more likely to stay cooperative and communicative, making property management smoother and more predictable even in volatile times. 6. Attract tenants with creative incentives. If vacancies arise, simple incentives can help you fill them quickly. Offering the first month rent-free, waiving application fees, or including basic utilities in the rent can make your property more attractive. However, ensure these incentives are structured to protect your long-term rental yield. For example, offering discounts that kick in after the first month or as part of a 12-month lease. These small adjustments can help you stay competitive without compromising profitability. 7. Stay ahead with preventive maintenance. Avoid the temptation to delay maintenance just to save money in the short term. Small problems, if neglected, can quickly become costly repairs. By conducting regular inspections and addressing minor issues promptly, you prevent large-scale damage and maintain property value. Preventive maintenance also signals to tenants that you care about their comfort and safety, reinforcing trust and improving retention. 8. Make lease terms more flexible. Adaptability is key during uncertain times. Rigid lease terms may deter tenants who are unsure about their job or housing situation. Offering options like short-term leases, month-to-month agreements, or reduced penalties for early termination can help attract and retain tenants. These adjustments reflect market sensitivity and demonstrate that you're accommodating during unpredictable economic conditions. 9. Stay updated on government relief and regulations. During a downturn, new policies and financial relief measures are often introduced. Keep a close eye on updates related to rental assistance schemes, eviction moratoriums, tax relief, or grants that may benefit either landlords or tenants. Taking advantage of such programs ensures you remain compliant and informed, avoiding legal complications while possibly unlocking new financial support. 10. Upgrade your property management systems. This is the ideal time to review and improve how your property is managed. Are you still relying on outdated systems or manual tracking? Switching to digital property management software can simplify rent collection, automate maintenance requests, and streamline tenant communications. These systems boost efficiency, reduce errors, and allow you to scale operations smoothly, even with limited resources. Bonus tip: use the Downturn to strengthen your brand. Downturns present a hidden opportunity to refine your property's market positioning. While others cut corners, you can focus on delivering better service, improving your brand image, or targeting new tenant segments. Refresh your listings, upgrade interiors affordably, or explore value-added services that enhance the tenant experience. How you treat your tenants during tough times leaves a lasting impression, leading to better reviews, referrals, and loyalty when the market recovers. Partner with SANGAU for expert support in uncertain times. At SANGAU, we understand that managing properties during economic downturns requires more than just budget trimming. It calls for empathy, foresight, and strategic planning. Our comprehensive property management services are designed to help you stay financially secure while delivering top-tier service to your tenants. From handling rent negotiations and preventive maintenance to ensuring legal compliance and operational efficiency, SANGAU is here to support you through every economic shift. If you're looking to strengthen your rental property portfolio and safeguard your investments, connect with SANGAU today. With the right partner by your side, even the toughest market conditions can become a stepping stone to future growth. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow property owners, and subscribe to our channel for more expert insights on property management in Bengaluru. Stay informed, stay ahead, only with SANGAU.